Hi friends, my name is Sandeep. Today I am going to show you how to make this Spiderman web shooter. It is simple and easy to make. Before starting, please subscribe and click on the bell. First I am choosing the color paper. Take any color paper. Now using the scale, measure 8 cm on the color paper. Then fold and cut the paper. Using scissors you can cut the paper, but I am using hands to cut it. Press it here and do like this. This is the way you can cut the paper easily without using scissors. See, it has come perfect. Now in this small paper, roll it like this using pencil. Just keep on rolling. Take out the pencil and do the same. At the end, use the gum and stick it. It's done and keep it aside. Take the other half paper. Start rolling like this. Or you can use pen refill to roll it. Keep doing the same. You have to stick at the end using gum. Cut it into half. Stick it here using gum. Fold a little on this side. Fold this much on the other side. Press it a little. Take a rubber band and fix it here. For sticking, you can use gum or stapler. Now I am using stapler. This is how you will be using. And we have to make wristband. For our wristband, take another paper and fold it. Press it here. Take how much you want for the wristband and cut the remaining. Do it like this, then it will look like a band. Our wristband is ready. I am cutting little more. You have to stick this on the band. For sticking, you have to use cello tape. Stick it this first on the band. Then take this one and put it inside. Take this rubber band and put it here. Shooter is ready. I'm just checking. For bullet, roll small paper like this. Attach thick thread to the bullet. For the other end of the thread, use cello tape and stick it to the back side of the wristband. Finally, our Spiderman web shooter is ready. As I said, it's very simple to make, right? This is how you can play with this. It's really awesome. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.